Anyone with the slightest interest in cryptocurrencies has been fascinated by the food-based farming craze for months now. Many platforms and networks have emerged due to the latest wave of DeFi protocols that enable users to stake their funds in exchange for the protocol's tokens, including Pancakeswap. What is Pancakeswap? How does it work? Keep on watching this video to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what Pancakeswap cake is. So be sure to be attentive, because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Pancakeswap was introduced just a year ago. Pancakeswap users have staked, meaning that users are holding their crypto in digital wallets, more than $5.6 billion on this decentralized exchange, compared to a market value of just $4.983 billion. Pancakeswap is a decentralized exchange that allows you to trade cryptocurrencies and tokens without a centralized intermediary, keeping custody of your tokens all the while. It is built on automated smart contracts deployed on Binance Smart Chain, the blockchain platform run by crypto exchange Binance. Even though Binance operates a centralized exchange service, it does not control or manage Pancakeswap. Anonymous developers built it. The service looks and feels very similar to the famous Ethereum DEX Uniswap. Pancakeswap is explicitly used for BEP tokens running on Binance Smart Chain. However, it's possible to bring over tokens from other platforms via Binance Bridge and wrap them as a BEP20 token for use on the DEX. Pancakeswap works with an automated market maker, or otherwise known as an AMM. This allows users to trade against a liquidity pool rather than being matched with another user through an order book. These pools are large sums of money gathered by many buyers. In return for liquidity suppliers, or LP tokens, they bring them into a tank. They can also make use of these tokens to reclaim their share and a portion of the transaction fees. Pancakeswap is becoming super popular because it solves many problems that have plagued the industry up until now. Thanks to its innovative approach and commitment to security, Pancakeswap has developed itself as a viable alternative to Uniswap, the present DEX and DeFi leader. Pancakeswap leverages its unique features to provide an excellent trading experience to end users. For one, it benefits from deficient transaction fees and rapid confirmation time, ensuring trades are executed quickly. It also doesn't generally suffer from displacement attacks like front-running, making it safer to use than some other AMMs. Pancakeswap works via an automated market maker. In this case, no order book is used to align buyers and sellers. Instead, the network uses dynamic algorithms and liquidity pools to link these parties directly. AMMs are beneficial because they offer higher speeds, faster processing, and less slippage. As a result, many of today's most popular websites, such as Uniswap and SushiSwap, are AMMs. Pancakeswap offers game-like experiences, such as wagering on whether the price of Binance coin will rise or fall within a limited window of time. It also has a lottery feature that lets users buy a ticket in hopes of winning a significant windfall of cake. Plus, the DEX offers a wide array of bunny-themed collectible non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, to purchase. Initial farm offering sales also let you buy brand new coins from budding projects. Pancakeswap cuts out the middlemen of centralized exchanges, letting other users reap the rewards instead. If you're willing to lock up your tokens for a while, the rewards can be very plentiful, particularly with some of the liquidity pools and staking options. Granted, as with other DEXs, crypto newbies will likely struggle to navigate Pancakeswap and understand its various features. It could be worth your while to take the time to figure it out, though. Yield farms are also very important to investors who want to earn passive income and are a staple of many DEXs. On Pancakeswap, you can earn cake tokens by staking your LP tokens. When working with these yield farms, you'll earn both the cake token and the LP rewards from providing liquidity. Pancakeswap has yet to keep an ICO for its native currency, cake, owing to the token's youth, according to Crypto Coin Society. Pancakeswap started its crypto journey on September 29, 2020. Since it is still in its early stages, no observational data on its price is available. The coin began with a trade volume of $1.37, according to CoinMarketCap. The token had dropped to 47 cents in just a few days, but had managed to hold on to $1.09 until mid-October that year. Then followed a short bear run, where the currency suddenly plunged to 22 cents in early November. The price gradually increased and changed over the year, eventually reaching 58 cents at the end of 2020. Pancakeswap's market capitalization rose by about $3.6 billion after the start of 2021. Cake rates spiked to $19.5 on February 19, 2021. It has grown by over 1,500% since the beginning of the year. CoinMarketCap said Cake hit a fresh all-time high of $34.84 on April 26th. With a market cap of $5.3 billion and a cumulative stock of 161,806,221 Cake tokens in circulation, the coin is ranked number 28 on the market. At the time this video is uploaded, the price of Pancakeswap price today is $11.11, with a 24-hour trading volume of $152,704,143. The current coin market cap ranking is number 54, with a live market cap of $2,760,792,311. It has a circulating supply of 248,390,755 Cake coins. Cake's price started at 61 cents at the beginning of 2021. The coin then continued to climb as the bulls regained dominance. The price is predicted to increase this year because it is dependent on Binance, the world's largest exchange, among many others. According to Coinpedia, if it works hard to boost the website, it could reach a high price of $60. By the end of this year, the token is estimated to be worth $80. Wallet Investor, on the other hand, predicted an average price of $51 for Cake by the end of 2021. Similarly, according to Digital Coin Price, Pancakeswap's average price by the end of 2021 may be $28.37. In March, FX Street expected a Pancakeswap price of $21.70, and Cake was trading about $12 at the time, with resistance at the $13 mark. Strong fundamentals are an essential aspect of organic cryptocurrency growth. Pancakeswap's network has a ton of ability to add more to would-be DeFi, but taking these figures at face value is challenging. Some may argue that it requires more time to mature due to its newness on the market. Perhaps it will be better to wait until 2022 to 2025 to see what happens with prices. According to Coinpedia, Pancakeswap could have a fun bull run in 2022. The price is likely to increase as Cake introduces new liquidity pools and draws more players. By the end of 2022, the token's exchange value could hit $150. Cake is also projected to be a much-needed open exchange in the next 5 years as DeFi expands. It may be particularly adept at capturing the interest of investors and traders. By strengthening the website, it can leapfrog other exchanges. Cake's price is expected to be $280 in 2025, according to Coinpedia. Pancakeswap is playing a more significant part in the DeFi industry every day. More and more users are becoming interested in learning about different DeFi startups that use various technologies and innovations. Pancakeswap is fulfilling users' aspirations for the DeFi space by giving them a wider community of new experiences, special incentives, and improved overall results in collaboration with Binance. Pancakeswap is still in its early stages. This makes all of us wonder where it's headed and whether or not it will succeed as a leader in DeFi. However, Pancakeswap has its own set of risks and upbringings as well. Pancakeswap is continuously attempting to tackle many persistent problems when it comes to decentralization. If Ethereum's scalability and high gas fees problems aren't figured out soon, we should foresee an increase in demand for Pancakeswap, which could be bullish for Cake as well. The DEX now has access to a massive trading network and a scalable, high-throughput platform with low fees, putting them at the forefront of DeFi technology. Additionally, if Cake's price increases in lockstep with its volume as time goes on, the company's stock could very much rocket to new heights. It's not difficult to see why it's become so popular when considering all of the functionality and benefits of using Pancakeswap. The network is highly open and compliant with the majority of ERC-20 projects that are currently in development. With Ethereum's increasing costs and congestion continuously plaguing the industry, it's only natural that Pancakeswap will continue to rise in popularity soon. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on the Cake altcoin? Let us know in the comments section below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching, we hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.